Hi, and welcome to this new episode in which you are going to learn 3 amazing exercises to train your head voice and strengthen your head voice so that you can sing those high notes with a lot of power and without any straining. Let's dive into it. Hi, and welcome back to this new episode. This episode will show you 3 exercises that you can do every day to really strengthen your head voice so that you can sing those high notes without any straining. And this is really important because a mistake that many beginner singers make is not singing that head voice at all. Many beginner singers are scared to sing in head voice because that head voice might sound airy and breathy, and shaky, unstable. That's the feeling that I had in the beginning of my singing journey, and maybe that's the feeling that you have as well. The mistake is not singing there because it sounds not the way we want it to sound. We're kind of getting into a vicious cycle, because if we don't sing in head voice because our head voice doesn't sound good, and we're avoiding head voice, then we're not training that head voice, and then again, that head voice will become weaker and weaker and weaker. So that's kind of the vicious cycle that we find ourselves in. And we don't want that, right? We do want to strengthen that head voice muscle so that we can sing with a lot of power throughout the whole of our range. So that brings me to the second mistake that most beginners make, and that's not transitioning between chest and head voice or transitioning too late. So what I used to do is I was a big and heavy chest voice singer. I didn't want to sing in head voice at all because it was breathy, airy, shaky, unstable, and all those things. So I would push and actually even strain my voice when singing high notes. And I felt very limited because it meant that those high diva notes, right, were not for me. And that's such a shame, right? So that's maybe something that you might be feeling too. And now, of course, after having my vocal journey, I have learned that there's nothing further from the truth. We need to be able to develop and strengthen that head voice so that we can use the power of chest combined with the range and flexibility of head voice. So I'm sharing these common mistakes with you because once you are aware of them, you can actually do something about it and change it. And that's where we slowly transition into the world of the confident and trained singer. See, the trained singer knows what specific exercises you can do to strengthen and train your voice. And we're going to be going over them today. Also, the trained singer knows that it will sound weird and he or she will keep going. So know that the exercises we're going to be doing today might not sound the way you want it to. It might sound off pitch, unstable, shaky, breathy, airy, however you want to describe it. It might sound that way to begin with. I almost want to promise you, if you put in the work and you're being consistent, in 3 months, it's going to sound a whole lot different. If you do this vocal workout every day, it's going to be a game changer for your head voice. And the trained singer knows that. And the trained singer keeps on going. The trained singer is committed. And that's what I'm asking from you, that commitment to strengthen your head voice and to come back to this video and do these exercises multiple times, because that's where you're going to hear and feel the difference. It's kind of like going to the gym. You can go once and then, well, the results are what they are, or you can go every week and that's a completely different game. All right, our first exercise is an easy one. We're just going to be doing a brrr sound. If a brrr sound is hard for you, you can use your fingers, put them in the corner of your mouth. Don't pull all the way back or all the way up, but try and find a little sweet spot in there. Brrr. Now, oftentimes, if your brrr doesn't start without the fingers, it might be a problem of breath support. We're not going to go all the way into the breath support technique and world. For now, use your finger if that helps. And we're doing Let's do it together. Here we go. And beautiful. Keep going without me. And keep that breath support. Yes. Beautiful. Keep going. Yes. Last one. Beautiful. And my fingers tighten up there. Beautiful. So this should have felt very light, very easy, no straining, right? Just very easy. It should have felt very easy. And if it wasn't and you were pushing, there might be a chance that you were still in chest voice. And so go back and really try to find that ooh sound. Let's go to the next one. Give me a yoo-hoo. I hope you did that. That is our head voice. We're going to put that onto a pitch. We're doing you and make it very dramatic, very opera-like, and keep your mouth very vertical. You instead of you, where we might create some more tension around the larynx as well. Okay, here we go. And you. Beautiful. You keep going without me. That's it. Yes. Keep going. You're doing great. You keep going. Last one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, now give me a harsh E sound. Give me a yee, yee, yee. Try it. And I feel that E sound in the front of my mouth. So kind of like here, when I'm trying to find it here. So make it, it's going to the front of my mouth instead of in the back. Yee, 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 instead of that's more in the back. Yee, 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 that's in the front. And let's do that on this one. Yee. And it might itch your tongue. It does. It's itching mine. So keep it as bright as you can. Let's try this. Here we go. And yee. Let's continue. Yee. Yes. Yee. Well done. Yee. Continue without me. Beautiful. Yeah. Beautiful. And having that sharpness in the sound really adds some power to our head voice. Let's put all of that into practice with a song where we're activating our head voice. It goes like this. You Say from Laura Daigle. We're doing You say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. That's the little part we're going to be working with. So let's hear it all in head voice, not chest voice, head voice. Let's do that together. Here we go. And you say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. Beautiful. Let's let's take that a little bit higher. Here we go. And you say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I am weak. Beautiful. A little bit higher. By yourself. I'm not going to be joining with you today. Here we go. And you say I am loved. You're doing amazing. Beautiful. High five to that one. Well done, well done, well done. So these exercises are amazing to train your head voice. Now, if you have felt any tension, any difficulties doing this, it can happen, right? This is maybe outside of your comfort zone. We've been going pretty high. The more you do these exercises, the more that way of singing will get into your vocal muscle memory. That's what we want. Now, I do have an upcoming training that is totally free, diving even deeper into this. It's called Discover the Most Important Vocal Technique to Release Tension When Singing. So if you have felt any tension, this training is for you. You can sign up using the link in the description here down below. I'm hoping to see you there. And otherwise, I'm hoping to see you back here in this video doing these exercises again and again and again and again so that we really can train those vocal muscles. So yeah, thank you for having been here. Thank yourself for having taken the time to work on your vocal development, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Bye.